If you want your dream scenario where you post content and within minutes people are in your DMs and your Stripe notifications are going off like it's New Year's Eve, then your content must do these 3 things: attract, build trust, and convert. Let's break that down. Attract. Think about what your ideal client wants. We're drawn to what we desire, so show your audience what's possible for them, highlighting what they actually fucking want. Building trust. Position yourself as a credible authority. Educate your audience, share your perspectives and your opinions and solve their problems. Quick wins build trust like nothing else, trust me. And lastly, convert. Showcase the gap between where your audience is and where they want to be. Explain why that gap exists. Position your offer as the solution to bridge that bloody gap. Start doing these 3 things consistently and you'll see those DM notifications rolling. For more insights on all things content, attraction marketing and sales, and if you want a juicy bonus, head over to my profile and grab yourself a copy of my Crack the Content code. Ciao for now.